Hi there. Today I'm going to be hanging up this light up sign on the wall here, but I don't want the cord hanging down. I want to hide that. So let me show you how we're going to do it. All right, so I went out, got myself one of these in-wall cable kits. Okay, so this is what's in the box here. You're going to have your hole drill bit, hole cutter. These are the rods here for fishing your cables down. Little bracket here. It comes with this foam inside and then a face plate. Hi, how you doing? And of course you have a second set of those. Also comes with this drill bit as well. What we're going to end up doing is drilling a hole, inserting this, covering it up with a faceplate. So in the end, this is what it's going to look like. My cord can come out, plug right into here. So the way this is going to anchor in is once I get it all the way in there, there's these screws on this side. Get it in, put it out, and you can see those will come out and anchor it right into the wall. Let's show you how easy it is. All right, so I put that fishing rod thing right through, and it's coming out both of those. Let's get this piece installed. Pull it through. All right, I just fished this end out of here. It's going to take the little foam here. I'm going to push this through. Then I can just line this up. And there you have it. I have a nice little faceplate here with the cord coming out. That's all you're going to see. My sign is working. You see no cord hanging down. Looks great.